welcome back to ThinkBig Digital. Today we are going to see how to download Microsoft 365. Open up your Microsoft tab and search for Microsoft 365. This is probably the easiest and legal way to Microsoft 365 download. Now, while you will search for Microsoft 365, you will be able to see this Office 365 login. Then you will be taken to a sort of Microsoft 365 copilot option. Now, as we are downloading something from Microsoft, we have to go and buy the Microsoft 365, which will allow us to install some apps. I can show you some things here. Go premium with Microsoft 365 to install the latest premium apps on your PC. So you have to buy the premium version. Here are three options for you: basic, personal and family for 365. Personal is for one person, basic is for also one person, but the family version, it is up to 6 people, so you can add 6 people in your account. And after that you can also see your business plans, and here you will be able to see that you can save 16% when you pay annually. So basically yearly you will pay something. This is how you easily can download Microsoft 365 by buying it. Otherwise, now here just copy this file right here, create a folder with name of MS Office, go to MS Office and paste your link. You can see I have pasted my folder right here. Now you can open either PowerShell, Windows PowerShell or commands prompt, and you can go to your folder and you can copy your path right here. Then just type here cd space, paste your link and then tap on enter. You just have to paste a link that I'll put it in the description box. I'll just paste it right here and then just tap on enter, and this is how you will be able to download your offline and online version of Microsoft 365. Thank you for watching. If this has helped you, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video.